In this video, we will do the unboxing of OMRON H712 blood pressure monitor. So I had purchased this from 1mg.com. So I will share a link in the description. So let's unbox it. This model is available on all the popular websites, but I found that 1mg was selling it for the least price I could find at the time of purchase. So this is the blood pressure monitor. It's fully automatic. It has a warranty of 3 years, and you can see product facility Vietnam, made in Vietnam. So it's imported in India from Vietnam. Now let's open the main box. So this is warranty card. Some other paperwork, user manual and other things. You can go through it if you find difficulty in operating it. And then they have given 4 Duracell batteries included in this box. So that's a good thing. And now let's take out the blood pressure monitor itself. So this is the display, start stop button, and then we have this strap that you have to attach around your upper arm. So let's insert the batteries and see how it works. So on the back side you can see there is a enclosure for batteries, and you have to insert 4 batteries. So they have already given 4 batteries. So let's place them. So put the back side or negative side of the battery at the spring, press it, and then fit the other side. Similarly do for all the 4. Now all the 4 cells are inserted. Next we will put this into this opening here. Now I think we are ready to go. So I will strap this around my upper arm or your biceps, triceps, and then we will start it. So attach it on your arm, this arm cuff like this, and it should be a bit tight, not too tight, and then we will start this machine. Now we start it. And you can see hear some noise here. Make sure to relax while it's measuring. And breathe normally. So it says 122 and 80, so it looks quite normal. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any query regarding this, please post in the comment section below. So it feels good. So it's one of the newer models of OMRON, and it's one of the best sellers in the market. So I would recommend to go for this one rather than some other local brands. So give a thumbs up to the video if you like it. Thank you.